Well, there are a lot of differences with truck incident cases. Trucking companies are governed by very specific rules and regulations that a normal automobile driver would not be. There are rules and regulations about driver training and qualification. They can't just throw anyone in an 18-wheeler and tell them to drive. They have to meet certain qualifications, get specific training. There are also rules and regulations regarding how long a driver can drive, how often they have to take breaks, things like that. There are very specific rules and regulations that don't apply to the average driver. It's really a combination of both. However, the most important thing is that the trucking company would be responsible for its driver. If it's a driver that's involved in interstate commerce, then the trucking company has to have a specific DOT permit to drive. Under the rules and regulations, the trucking company is specifically responsible for anyone driving its truck. It wouldn't matter if the person's an independent contractor, an employer. Those would be important issues in some other types of cases. But a 18-wheeler, for instance, that was operating in interstate commerce, you don't have to worry about that distinction because the trucking company would always be responsible. Well, that often happens if an injured person does not have an attorney or is not represented, then that person's fair game for the trucking company's representative or the insurance company's adjuster to call you directly. And that's really not a fair fight because most people don't adjust or handle claims for a living, and you would then be talking with someone who does. They know specifically what to ask you. They may be recording you. They may be prompting you to say things that could be harmful to your case. So it's not really a fair fight, so to speak, for an individual to be talking with an insurance or trucking company representative. Dealing directly with the trucking company or their insurance company is rarely a good idea because you're dealing with professionals on the other side of the equation from you. It's really better to have representation, to have an attorney who is experienced in handling claims to sort of level the playing field. As you can imagine, an insurance company representative or the direct representative of the trucking company is really not interested in your well-being. What they are interested in is doing everything possible to either pay you no money at all or to pay you the very, very smallest amount of money possible. When they're dealing directly with an individual versus a lawyer who does this for a living, they are often much more successful in either eliminating payment altogether or paying you a very small amount of money.